Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing an amazing product. This one is from BYEASY and this one is for your desktop metal holder for tablet, and it's not just for tablets, you can actually use for many other things. So we're going to talk about this and see what do we have inside. So first of all, the model number of this is the UC903A, and this is the 8-in-1 Type-C hub. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside. We have the user manual, very handy always. Then this one comes with one Type-C to Type-C cable. This is where you're gonna use this cable to connect to your iPad or your laptop. And then, oh wow, this is the holder. So first of all, it looks like aluminium and all that, and very nice finish, and it has a very good weight on it. On this part they have the rubber pads to where you would put your tablet or your laptop. It will hold it very nicely. At the bottom it also have the rubber pads, so if you put it down just like that, it can stay where you want it to be. The one thing is very good about it, the weight of it is quite nice, not very heavy, not very light. It feels very steady if you put it down also. Then we have this arm. Wow, you need some strength to open it. So this is how it looks like. So if you want to put your iPad or laptop here, this is how it looks like. So this is the tilt function. It's very solid, you need some force to do it, so this is very good. So if you're putting a heavy object on it, it will not go anywhere. And on the bottom arm also have the same thing. So we've been using this in our office from almost 2 weeks now, and I'm using it actually for my laptop, not for my iPad, but it does an amazing job. So one of the other thing is this rotation. Oh my goodness, wow. Oh, it feels so good. I've been doing this all the time. It sounds so good, that the wrench sound like that. It's amazing. Very simple product and very good quality product, I must say. So guys, I set up everything already and it looks very clean. My setup looks very clean. So what I did is actually I put the power cable here, which is powering this docking station, and my Type-C connection to my iPad. And the iPad is also charging at the same time. So now it's very easy to use. I can move it around, and it's very steady also. And all these rubbers here which holds them in the spot is also very good. And I bring my Mac as well, so it's very light. This is a MacBook Air. Actually I can put this as well on it, though it's a little bit wobbly, but it does hold the thing and it does the job. Though it's built for the iPads and all that, but if you want to utilize the thing, why not, if you can use it. So I can plug my Type-C here as well, and everything works very fine. For example, the scenario is this, that I'm coming back from my work and I just need to plug one cable. My keyboard, my mouse, my monitor, everything can be connected here. I can just put in my hard drives, memory cards, and we can transfer the data very easily as well. So now let's talk about all the specifications of this amazing product. Since a big part of this stand is about connectivity, we are going to talk about every single port it has and its applications. On the left side, we have the SD card and TF micro SD card slot if you need to directly transfer data from the memory cards to your tablet, as well as a 100-watt power delivery USB-C port to charge your tablet, phone, and other smart devices. The right side of the stand has two USB 3.0 ports that have 5 GB per second transfer speed, so you can either connect your peripherals like a mouse and keyboard or storage devices to transfer data with. It also has a 3.5mm audio jack to connect with your headphones for a more convenient listening experience. Finally, at the back we have a power delivery in port. This means that you can plug in a USB-C charger into the port to provide power to the hub itself. We also have a HDMI port that supports 4K resolution displays and an Ethernet port that supports 1000 Mbps gigabit Ethernet. Now let's talk about the range of motion. This tablet holder has a full 360-degree swivel on its base. The lower arm has a 180-degree tilt, and the upper arm also has a 180-degree tilt. Alright guys, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I tried my best to cover all the features of this amazing device. And if you guys have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply all your questions. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.